How to send BNB to another Binance account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily send BNB to another Binance account from your own Binance. First thing you have to do is open up your Binance and make sure that you're logged in. Now from here, you want to head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're here, you're going to have to go to Overview Spot or Funding tab where you have your BNB set up. And once you find it, just tap on BNB and then click on withdraw or transfer. So if you tap on transfer button here or withdraw, you could just go ahead and select send via email, phone, or ID. So select that, and on the send mode, make sure you've selected Binance ID. Now just tap on the contact icon right besides here to select to your common pay, someone that you keep sending to or someone from your recent list, or you could just directly enter their ID. Now, once you've done that, select your amount, and you could also add an optional note here to let the recipient know what you've sent it for. Now, you can just go ahead and tap on the send button and verify, and you are good to go. Now, you've successfully sent the BNB from one account to another. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.